The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to be released in the next few months, and we know all the specs, the design, and the price. In this video, I'm going to recap everything we know about it. But first, let me introduce you to a very interesting accessory for drones and action cams, the Ruko 65 watts Gan wall charger. It comes with this cleaning cloth, and it features a really compact and foldable design, making it perfect for traveling. It features 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, reaching 65 watts of charging power when one device is plugged in with USB-C. It also has a safety shield system that prevents overheating and overcharging, making it safe for your devices. With a really compact and sleek design, it's easy to place even between bigger plugs. And the glossy black finish, which is scratch and smudge resistant, alongside the solid build quality, makes it a premium product. It's a must for charging a wide range of devices, and it's great for drone batteries and action cams when you're traveling. So go check it out from the link in the description. And now back to the Mavic 4. Let's get into it. As we have already seen, it will feature a similar design to the Mini series, with the forward arms folding backwards and the back brackets going forward, the opposite from the Mavic 3 Pro, as you can see in this video. But here's a closer look at it. It's a screen of the beta DJI Fly version. It surely is one of the ugliest DJI drones ever made, but it prioritizes the performance over design. It's interesting to notice how it doesn't have obstacle avoidance sensors pointing forward, but they're all located at the top. The drone weighs 1,045 grams, unfortunately for European users. The battery slides in from the back, below the SD card slot and USB-C port, and it ensures 52 minutes of flight time. The transmission system is also upgraded, allowing 40 kilometers of range. Let's move on to the camera specs. The main camera will be a 4/3 100 megapixel, 28mm sensor, capable of recording in 6K 60 FPS or 4K 120. It also features stepless electronic ND filters and dual native ISO. Along with the main sensor, it will also have 2.5x and 6x lenses, all with f2.8 focal length. The drone will also come with new controllers, the RC Pro 2 with an external screen and foldable sticks, but also the RC3, which hasn't been leaked yet. Finally, the price and release date. The Mavic 4 Pro will start at around €2,200 for the base combo. And the rumored release date, according to Jasper Ellens, is around next month, but it could be released even in April, in my opinion. So subscribe to be updated on all the leaks, and drop a like if this video was helpful.